How long has it been since I started this damn journey? It feels like weeks, or maybe even months. Why did I start this again? It's lost all purpose. What is this goddamn noise? That doesn't sound normal. Let's check it out. In track E, run a shift. Hey everybody! My name is HardDuckMan, and welcome to Deep City. For the longest time now, I have been on the waters, in search of something that I have lost clue of. Who even knows what I'm here for anymore? The biggest question we have anymore is what the hell that sound is. This is a pretty small ship. Hello? Are we even on... Is that water? This doesn't seem like water. That seems like cement. What was that grabbed me? Was that a long arm? Whose long, gnarly arm just yanked me into the abyss? Whoa. Wait a minute. I've gained the ability to breathe underwater. Everything hurts. And where am I? It's the lost city of Atlantic. Did I just say Atlantic? It's the lost city of Atlantic. Everything feels cold and disconnected. Am I underwater? Do you feel wet all around? Is there... How is that possible? Ocean magic. That's my only explanation. Is that light? Yeah, that seems like light to me. There's gotta be light for us to see anything, so it makes sense. That's a cool lamppost. I think I can see a train God damn it! Oh! What the fuck is that? Why is the lamppost able to fucking run? I think there's an exit to the right. Okay. I'm sorry. Evolution. Lampposts have finally gotten opposable thumbs, the one thing that was stopping lampposts from total domination. Gosh, City Hall. Gather supplies. I'm surprised I can read that. Oh, paper. Give it to me. Today our city drowned, but somehow we didn't. I'd say so. This seems pretty deep underwater. They just drowned, like... Most electronics don't work either. At least we got some streetlights that keep away the darkness. This whole situation is insane. I think we're underwater, but the water itself feels so heavy that swimming seems impossible. At least I'm not alone in this. Maybe we'll find more hints about the situation. More hints? More hints? What hints are you gonna look for? Now, like, this seems like a modern city. Either I'm heavily in the future, and this is like an old city that succumbed to global warming. Or somehow, this entire city just kind of like, and like fell backwards into the water. Because we are decently underwater right now. We've got depth. God damn the light posts. What is with the light posts, monsters? Day 4. There are about 50 people who also drowned in the city. Everybody agreed to gather all rations in the city hall. At least we're not alone. That's true. Truthful. It's much better to be suffering with friends than suffering alone. Day 20. Something feels off. I'm sure there were more people at the start of this fucking mess. Maybe someone started killing others to keep supplies high. God, I'm getting paranoid. What are those thoughts? I don't know. I don't want to read it again. Stop making me read. Who knows? I mean, in a situation like this, anything is possible. In a world where lampposts come alive and everyone can start breathing underwater, really start questioning things. Day 40. I got what were originally my supplies from the city hall while nobody was looking. Apparently, there aren't enough people anymore to guard the city hall. I'm barricading in my garage until help comes. Smart. What help is gonna come? Oh god. Oh god. What is this? There are so many. It looks like the notes of a madman. I'd say so. There's so many. Can I not read them all? Can I not read them? Supplies. Looks like supplies. It does look like supplies. Oh, I can't read that? That's a shame. I'll just come back this way. Hello, lampposts. Hey, how you doing? I'm the fisherman man. I just came here for fish. I'm the fisherman man, the fisherman man. I am the fisherman man of the sea. I am the fisherman man. I am the fisherman man of the deep blue sea. Where's a door? We need to find a door. Oh, there's a note there. Didn't see that. I think it's day 87. I haven't left my garage in 3 weeks. I think I'm alone. How can this be? There is a little scribble at the bottom. A giant bang woke me up today, and I saw a ship sinking into the city hall. Maybe there are survivors. Maybe. It feels like the whole ground is shaking. It's the tectonic plates! The tectonic plates! What is happening? Oh! What the f- No! Where do I go here? I don't go there, I just run the opposite way. Run straight, take a right. This is new. Was this here before? Let me in. What the fuck? What? That is not supposed to... That wasn't supposed to happen. And I thought reality was already broken. We broke it even more. We somehow, alongside the ability to, breathe underwater, we also got the ability to warp through buildings. Can I go that way? I don't think I can go that way. Go straight? Oh, it moved! There used to be a barricade here. I'm not even turning around to look at you. I know there's a man behind me. I know you're behind me. I know you're behind me. Oh, this is a big city. I'm a city folk now. I'm shitty folk. Can I go that way? I don't think I can. Oh, I see the lights behind me. He's close enough to tickle my ass. Please don't tickle my ass. I love my ass. I love my ass so much. Don't tickle it, don't tickle it, don't tickle my butt, don't tickle my butt, don't tickle my butt, don't tickle my butt. Yes! Yes! Take that, stupid lamplight! That is a person! I am too late! Hey, he looks fine. Hey, bro. You fine? No. That does not look like a person. Looks like he's made out of dough. Looks like he's a dough person. Oh, jeez. This is it. My last hope just died. Just a rusty, empty boat. I just can't anymore. That's a shame. That's a real shame. That's my boat. Oh! What? What was that? What just got me? I came by Felix Kraus. What did I just miss? What? It's just... Don't you close on me! Don't you do that! That's rude! Don't you close on me! I want to see what was at the end there. Hold on. Oh, wait, hold on, what? I didn't realize the buildings are closing in? What? Oh! 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 That's a lot freakier. When you take a second to slow down and check out your scenery, this is a lot freakier. Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh! Okay. It's that light, isn't it? Okay. Is it? Can late? I'm late. I'm too late, sorry. Sorry about that. I want to see what this was. My boat. My boat, can I leave? Oh, what? Huh? Oh, that's it. I wasn't missing anything. It was just a light. That's cute. I like the light. That was Deep City. It definitely has to go for one of the most interesting concepts I've ever seen. I've never heard of or seen a horror game where its main monster is a street lamp. A+ for creativity. A triple quintuple plus. Well, it's that time, guys. If you like it, like the video. Comment your favorite thing about the video, what you thought about the underwater area, what you thought about the lamp post monster. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on post notifications if you want to be reminded whenever I post. And with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys whatever I do next. Peace, peace.